5 bad things that you need to know about silicone coatings coming up next.
Number 1. Limited adhesion. Silicone coatings may not adhere well to certain surfaces, especially those with low surface energy or substrates that are not properly prepared. Without proper adhesion, the coating may peel or delaminate over time, reducing its effectiveness. Number 2. Susceptibility to contamination. Silicone coatings can easily attract and retain dirt, dust, and other contaminants on their surface. This can make the coating appear dirty or discolored and may require frequent cleaning or maintenance to keep it in good condition. Number 3. Difficult to remove and repair. The coating forms a strong bond with the substrate, and removing it completely without damaging the underlying surface can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. Number 4. Vulnerability to abrasion. Scratches or impacts can damage the coating, compromising its protective properties. This limitation makes silicone coatings less suitable for applications that involve high levels of wear and tear. Number 5. Limited temperature resistance. While silicone coatings generally exhibit good thermal stability, they have limitations at extremely high or low temperatures. Excessive heat can cause degradation or discoloration of the coating, while extreme cold temperatures can lead to brittleness and reduced flexibility. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.